Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to look out for some new icons for our Gnome desktop in Debian. So, if you know, the Gnome desktop in Debian looks a little bit boring and old because the icon sets, the software is little bit older, at least on Debian. But since last 2 or 3 releases of Debian, that is Debian 12 and 13, Debian desktop is now more concurrent with the latest software releases, but yet the icon themes and the overall system themes looks very older. It doesn't look that much attractive. So to make your desktop attractive, you can install custom icon themes on your desktop. It might be a GNOME desktop, it might be your KDE desktop. So for that, you have to open the website. I will just show you the website. It is the gnomelook.org. This is the website. So here you can find everything, all icons, themes and everything to make your desktop look beautiful. So you can find the different dock themes, full icon themes, GDM themes, that is for your display manager. So GNOME display manager themes are available. GIMP is there. KRILM is nothing but your CPU monitor. It will show you the status of the different CPU cores, the performance of different CPU cores in GREL M. So GREL M, I will show you in one of the videos how to install it, how to use it. GNOME add-on applications, GNOME extensions, GNOME screenshots. So everything, all theming, everything is available here. Various GNOME stuff, Plymouth themes, GTK3 and 4 themes, Grub themes, GNOME menu schemes, wallpapers also is available here. So take a note of this website, that is www.gnome-look.org. Very great website. And in today's video, we are going to install one theme that I liked very much. I will just show you. It is the UOS Deepin version 20 that I have got installed on my system. So how to install the themes, I will just show you. You have to open your file manager here. I will just show you what to do. You have to click here. So what is going to happen is, once you click here, it will open a web page for this theme. So you can check out the icons more closely. They look very modern and nice looking, very attractive looking. So you have to just hit the download button here. So there will be two options, either to install or to download. So if you got the GNOME shell extensions, then you can also install it. So install button will be also there, and sometimes the install button is not a good option for users who are very privacy and security focused. So they will not directly install, they will just download it, they will unzip, they will check out what are the contents of the this zip package, and if they found everything is safe, there are no unwanted content or any hacker, any compromised content is not there, then only they will install. So better is to download it. So on downloading it, it will get installed to this your download section. I will just show you. It will go here in the download section. So for example, I had just downloaded the elementary KDE tar. So you have to just extract it. It will get extracted in the downloads folder. Then what you have to do is, you have to just check whether everything is downloaded. You can see here the different icon sets will be there. So different size icon sets are there, 32 size, different are there. There are scalable icons also. And once everything you find is okay, you have to just copy this, go to the home directory. In the home directory, you have to create a folder that is called .icons. And if the installation is new, you will not see all these .files. .files are hidden. For seeing the hidden files, you have to click here, show hidden files, then only these .files will be visible, and you have to create a folder called .icons. And in this .icons folders, you have to copy, you have to paste the extracted folder here. So for example, I had put the US full distro icon extracted folder here. You have to just paste it here, And then once that is done, what you have to do is you have to open the Twix application, Gnome Twix, and in Gnome Twix you have to go over to appearance, and here you can find out that the option is there to switch over to the US full distro icons. Along with that, since this is a full icon set is there, it also contains the cursor as well as yes. So the support for legacy applications is not there because some icon sets also support legacy items, so they have got icons for the legacy applications, but here US full distro icons is not supporting legacy applications, so we will keep it with the Advaita default, or you can go with the Advaita dark also. So you have to check which looks better on your system. That's it. Once that is done, your immediately the icons, the look of icons will change. Now what I'm going to do is I will just close this. I will close this also, because we are done with that. This is also not necessary. Now I will just show you. You can take a look. All the icons now look very nice. The designs have changed. The calendar, you can see, looks very nice looking, very attractive, colorful, and it just changes the look of your desktop. I will just show you how the system icons are looking. Very nice looking wallpapers. Everything is matching and fitting here. Now further, just show you. You also can install Variety. Variety is a wallpaper manager. I will just show you. So you can open Variety here. So Variety, you can download wallpapers from different websites. For example, you can download from the Flickr. Apod is NASA Astronomy Picture of Day. Bing Photo. Earthview is the Google Earthview wallpapers. Nat Geo, Unsplash. So the background wallpaper is taken from the Unsplash, that is high resolution photographs from the Unsplash. So they are taken by professional photographers and you can use them for free. And there are other settings. So there is a clock, the fonts, you can download it and save the downloaded wallpapers to particular folder. For here example, this is the default folder where the manually downloaded wallpapers are saved. So this Variety will manually download the wallpapers and store it to this fetch folder in the config Variety folder. And also you can filter, you can customize, tips, changelog, donate, and many other things are there. So you can take a look for yourself. Nothing great here. It is not that complicated. So this wallpaper is from the Unsplash. Looks very nice with the wallpapers. Sorry, not wallpapers, with the icons. It is matching this color and everything. All the theme, desktop theme, as well as the icon themes, they are matching each other. Then it gives a very modern look, very beautiful, attractive look to the desktop. So that's it for today's video. In today's video, we have seen the US full distro icon theme for your Gnome desktop in Debian. So in the next videos, we will try out some other icon themes for the Gnome desktop of Debian 13. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.